multiplication by using Antyor Dashakepi Sutra. Antyor Dashakepi Sutra for multiplication is specific method and is used only when following two conditions are satisfied. Friends, this is specific method of multiplication and can be applied only when given numbers satisfies following two conditions. What is first condition? For the two given numbers, okay, sum of the last digits of the numbers to be multiplied should be 10 or its powers, and remaining higher digits in both the numbers should be identical. For example, see 1 7 and 1 3, that means 17 multiplied by 13. See, first condition, sum of the last digits of the numbers to be multiplied should be 10 or its powers. See, sum of the last digits 7 and 3. 7 plus 3 is 10. Sum of the last digits of the given numbers should be 10. Here 7 plus 3 is 10. So first condition is satisfied here. What is second condition? Remaining higher place digits in both the numbers should be identical. See, here it is higher place. Okay, write higher place here. Remaining higher place digits in both the numbers should be identical. See, in the multiplicand there is 1 and in the multiplier also there is 1 at tens place digit. Okay, that means second condition is also satisfied. So we can apply Antyor Dashakepi Sutra for the multiplication of these two numbers, right? So let us read algorithm now. First step is multiply the digits whose sum is 10 or its power and write the product in right part. Note that number of digits in the right part should be equal to twice the number of zeros in the sum. See, let us understand this algorithm by same example. 17 multiplied by 13. See, 17 multiplied by 13. See, first condition is satisfied, 7 plus 3 is 10, and second condition is also satisfied because higher place digits in both of these numbers are identical. There is 1 in the tens place of multiplicand, that is 17, and there is 1 in the tens place of multiplier, that is 13. So we are going to write the answer in two parts. See, this is right part and this is left part, correct? Multiply the digits whose sum is 10 or its power and write the product in right part. See, 7 multiplied by 3. Multiply these two digits whose sum is 10 or its power. In this case, 7 and 3. So 7 3s are 21. Write 21 in right part. Okay, what is second step? Multiply the identical digit or digits which are at higher place to its ekadhik. What is ekadhik? What does it mean by ekadhik? Ekadhik means by one more. One more. Ekadhik of 1 is 2. Ekadhik of 2 is 3. Ekadhik of 3 is 4. You have to add 1 to the number or to the digit whose ekadhik is to be calculated. If you want to calculate the ekadhik of 5, add 1 to 5. You will get 6. So 6 is ekadhik of 5. So multiply the identical digit or digits which are at higher place to its ekadhik. What is ekadhik of 1? 2. So multiply 1 with its ekadhik, that means 2. So answer will be 1 2s are 2 and 21. Now condition is, important note is, see, important note is, note that number of digits in the right part should be equal to twice the number of zeros in the sum. Okay, what is sum? 7 plus 3 is 10. How many zeros are there in the 10? Only 1 zeros. That means we need 2 digits in the right part. Twice the number of zeros. Number of digits in the right part should be equal to twice the number of zeros in the sum, which we already have, right? We need 2 digits here in the right part because there is only 1 zero in the sum of these 2 digits, last digits. But if there is only 1 digit, Then what to do? Simple. Write 1 0 at the left side of existing digits in the right part. See, I repeat, write 1 0 at the left side of existing digits in the right part, so that number of digits would become 2. Simple. Let us repeat the algorithm. Step number 1 is multiply the digits whose sum is 10 or its power and write the product in right part. Note that number of digits in the right part should be equal to twice the number of zeros in the sum, that means 10 or its power. Step number 2 is multiply the identical digit or digits which are at higher place to its ekadhik and write the product in left part. So friends, let us solve these 7 examples. First example is 37 multiplied by 33. Yes, 37 multiplied by 33. Now two conditions should be satisfied to apply Antayor Dashakepi multiplication. First condition is sum of the last digits in multiplicand and multiplier should be 10 or its powers. See, 10 or power of 10, x equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. Sum of these last digits should be 10 or its powers. In this case, 7 plus 3 is 10. That means first condition is satisfied. What is second condition? Second condition is remaining, see, excluding these last digits, remaining higher place digits should be identical, that means equal. In multiplicand there is 3 in tens place, in multiplier there is also 3 in tens place. Okay, that means identical. This condition is satisfied. See, this is T. Okay, identical, higher place digits should be identical. This second condition is also satisfied. So we can apply Antayor Dashakepi Sutra for multiplication to multiply these two numbers, multiplicand 37 and multiplier 33. So let us write answer in two parts. Let me separate it by drawing a slash. Okay, this is right part and this is left part. Let us solve first right part. What is right part? Right part is multiply the two digits whose sum is 10 or its power. What are those digits? In multiplicand 7 and in multiplier 3. So 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. Write 21 in right part. Now let us calculate left part. How to calculate left part? Multiply identical digit or digits with its ekadhik. Identical digit is 3. What is ekadhik of 3? 4. So multiply 3 by 4, which gives us 12. 3 4s are 12. So left part is 12. Write 12 here. How many zeros are there in the sum? There is only one zero. So we need two digits in right part, which we already have. So we can write 21 as it is. So let us write answer, remove slash and write answer 1 2 2 1. That means 1221. Let us solve next example. Second example, 86 multiplied by 84. 86 multiplicand, 84 multiplier. Now let us see if these two numbers satisfy two conditions or not. Okay. So what is first condition? Sum of last digits. Sum of last digits should be 10 or its power. 6 plus 4, 10. That means first condition is satisfied. What is second condition? Remaining higher place digits should be identical. There is 8 in the multiplicand at tens place, and there is also 8 in multiplier in the tens place. That means second condition is also satisfied. Identical. What is identical, or what are identical digits? 8. Let us apply Antyor Dashakepi multiplication to multiply these two numbers. What is right part? How do we calculate right part? We multiply the digits whose sum is 10 or its powers. Okay, in this case 6 and 4. 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. So write 24 in right part. What is left part? How do we calculate left part? We multiply identical digit to its ekadhik. What is identical digit? 8. And what is ekadhik of 8? 9. Multiply 8 and 9. We get 72. 8 nines are 72. So write 72 in left part. Now count the number of zeros in the sum. There is only one zero. It means that we need two digits in the right part, which we already have. So let us remove slash and write answer. 72. Remove slash and write 24. 7224 is answer. Third example, 661 multiplied by 669. Now friends, let us observe last digits of multiplicand and multiplier. There is 1 in the multiplicand and there is 9 in the multiplier, last digits. So sum of these last digits in multiplicand and multiplier is 1 plus 9 is 10. So first condition is satisfied, fulfilled. Now second condition, yes, second condition is also satisfied. See, there are identical digits at higher places. 66 in multiplicand and 66 in multiplier. That means second condition is also satisfied. So let us apply Antyor Dashakepi multiplication method. So right part, let us calculate right part. How do we calculate right part? We multiply the digits whose sum is 10 or its powers. Which are those digits? 1 and 9. So let us multiply it. 1 9s are 9. Write 9. Now what is left part? Multiply identical digits with its ekadhik. What is ekadhik of 66? 67. So multiply 66 and 67. 66 multiplied by 67. If the numbers to be multiplied contains two digits or more than two digits, then apply urdhva multiplication. So 66 multiplied by 67 is 6 sevens are 42, write 2, carry 4. 7 6 are 42 plus 6 6 are 36, 42 plus 36, 42 plus 30, 72 plus 6, 78, 78 plus 4, 82, 2, write 2, carry 8. Now second column, 6 6 are 36 plus 8, 44. So the answer is 4422. Answer is 4422. Right answer in left part 4422. So friends, we have calculated right part and left part. Now important note, count the number of zeros in the sum. Which sum? Sum of last two digits in multiplicand and multiplier. Here 1 plus 9. So count the number of zeros in the sum. There is only one zero. So we need two digits in right part. But how many digits we have? There is only one digit. So let us write 10 at the left side of existing digit or digits, so that number of digits in the right part should be equal to twice the number of zeros in the sum. Now yes, it is balanced now. So let us remove slash and write final answer. Write left part 4, 4, 2, 2, remove slash, write 0, 9. That means 4,42,209 is an answer. Fourth example, 447 multiplied by 443. Observe last digits in the given numbers. In multiplicand there is 7 and in multiplier there is 3. That means sum of these two digits is 10. So first condition is satisfied. 7 plus 3 is 10. First condition is satisfied. Now second condition, see, these two digits in multiplicand and these two digits in multiplier are identical. 44 in multiplicand and 44 in multiplier. So second condition is also satisfied. Let us multiply these two numbers. Right part is multiply the digits whose sum is 10 or its powers. In this case 7 and 3. 7 3s are 21. Write 21. In the right part, now let us calculate left part. 44 should be multiplied with its ekadhik. What is ekadhik of 44? Add 1 to 44, you will get 45. 45 is ekadhik of 44. Now there are two digits in the numbers to be multiplied. So let us apply, let me change color here, okay, see. So let us apply or let us use Urdhva Tiryak multiplication method. 44 multiplied by 45. 5 4s are 20, write 0, carry 2. 5 4s are 20 plus 4 4s are 16. 20 plus 16, 36 plus 2, 38. Write 8, carry 3. Now last column, 4 4s are 16 plus 3, 19. 1980. Write left part 1980. 1980. Now count the number of zeros in the sum of the last two digits. What is that sum? It is 10. Count the number of zeros. There is only one zero. It means that we need to write two digits in right part, which we already have. So let us remove slash and write final answer 198021. 1,98,021 is an answer. Fifth example, 2135 multiplied by 2165. Now friends, observe these two numbers properly. First condition is that sum of the last digits, see, sum of the last digit or digits should be 10 or its powers. In this case, sum of the last digit is 10, but remaining higher place digits are not identical. So check the possibility of sum of the last two digits in both of these given numbers to be 10 or its powers. See, 35 in multiplicand, 35 in multiplicand and 65 in multiplier. Add this 35 plus 65, which is equal to 100. Yes, 100 is power of 10. 10 to the power of 2 is 100. That means first condition is fulfilled, satisfied in this example. What about second condition? Yes, second condition is also satisfied because higher place digits in both of these numbers are identical. 21 in multiplicand and 21 in multiplier. So two conditions are satisfied. So let us apply Antayor Dashakepi Sutra to multiply these numbers 2135 and 2165. So let us calculate right part first. Right part. Multiply the digits whose sum is 10 or its powers. In this case 35 and 65. So multiply these two numbers. 35 multiplied by 65. Two digits. Let us use Urdhva Tiryak method. 35 multiplied by 65. How much? 5 5s are 25. Write 5, carry 2. 5 3s are 15 plus 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 15, 45 plus 2, 47. Write 7, carry 4. 6 3s are 18 plus 4, 22. 2275. Right part is 2275. What is left part? Left part is multiply identical digits with its ekadhik. Identical digits are 2 and 1, that means 21. Multiply 21 with its ekadhik. What is ekadhik of 21? 22. So let us use again 21, but it's easy, okay. 22 ones are 22. Write 2, carry 2. 22 twos are 44 plus 2, 46. 462. So left part is 462. So let us write right part and left part. 2, 2, 7 and 5. 2275 is right part and 462 is left part. Now friends, count the number of zeros in the sum. There are 2 zeros. It means that we need to have 4 digits in right part, which we already have. So no need to make any changes here. So let us remove a slash and write final answer. 462, remove slash and write 2275. 46 lakhs 22,275 is an answer. Sixth example, 1203 multiplied by 1207. See friends, sum of the last digits in both of these numbers is 10. 3 plus 7 is 10. So first condition is satisfied and second condition is also satisfied because higher place digits in both of these numbers are identical, 120 in multiplicand and 120 in multiplier. So multiply, just a minute. So let us multiply these two numbers by using Antayor Dashakepi Sutra. Yes, let us calculate right part. 3 multiplied by 7 is 21 and write 21 in right part. What is left part? Multiply identical digits with its ekadhik. Ekadhik of 120 is 121. Ekadhik of 120 is 121. So let us multiply by using Urdhva Tiryaka Sutra. 120 multiplied by 121. So 0, 2, 1 plus 0 plus 4, that is 5, 2 plus 2, 4 and 1, 1. So 14,520 is answer of this multiplication. So let us write 14,520. Left part is 14,520. So let us write left part 14,520. Now friends, count the number of zeros in the sum. There is only one zero. So we need to write two digits in right part, which we already have. So let us write final answer 14520, remove slash and write 21. That means 14,52,021 is answer. Seventh example, 9888 multiplied by 9112. First condition, sum of the last digit or digits in both of these given numbers should be 10 or its powers. See, 8 plus 2 is 10, definitely, but these three remaining digits are not identical. So friends, let us check the possibility of these three digits. Okay, sum of these three digits and these three digits to be 10 and its powers. See, 8, 8, 8 plus 1, 1, 2. See friends, you have to understand this by just observation. 8 plus 2, 10. 8 plus 2, 10. 8 plus 2, 10. Yes. Sum of the last three digits in both of these numbers is 1000, which is nothing but power of 10. 10 to the power of 3 is 1000. So first condition is satisfied. What is second condition? Remaining digits, remaining higher place digits in both numbers should be identical. Yes, second condition satisfies here. There is 9 in the multiplicand in thousands place, and there is 9 in multiplier in thousands place. So second condition is fulfilled. So let us apply Antayor Dashakepi Sutra for the multiplication of these two given numbers. Let us separate by drawing a slash right part and left part. This is right part and this is left part. Okay, now let us calculate right part. Multiply the digits whose sum is 10 or its powers. Which are those digits? 888 in multiplicand and 112 in multiplier. So let us multiply, multiplied by 112. Both of these numbers contains three digits. So let us apply Urdhva method. 112. 8 2s are 16, write 6, carry 1. 8 2s are 16 plus 8 24 plus 1 25, write 5, carry 2. Okay, now include third column. 8 2s are 16 plus 8 24 plus 8 32 plus 2 34, write 4, carry 3. Okay, now exclude 1 8s are 8 plus 1 8s are 8, 16 plus 3 19, write 9, carry 1. Now exclude second column also. 1 8s are 8 plus 1 9. So 99456, that means 99,456 is answer of this multiplication. Let us write 99,456. Okay, let us write here also 99,456. Now let us calculate left part. Multiply identical digit with its ekadhik. What is identical digit? 9. What is ekadhik of 9? 10. So 9 tens are 90. 90 is left part. So friends, we have calculated both of these parts, right part and left part. Now count the number of zeros in the sum. How many zeros are there? 1 2 3, 3 zeros. It means, as there are 3 zeros, it means we need to write 6 digits. Number of digits in the right part should be equal to twice the number of zeros in the sum. How many digits we have in right part? 1 2 3 4 5. That means deficit of one digit. Let us write 1 0 at the left of existing digits. At the left of existing digits. Now there are 6 digits, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yes, it is balanced now. There are 3 zeros in the sum, so we need to write 6 digits in the right part, twice the number of zeros. Now friends, let us write final answer. Final answer is 90. Remove slash, write 099,456. This is answer.